Next on stage is Erwin from the St. Pölten University of Applied Sciences, which is kind of the neighboring town to Krems. And his talk is about development of the gamification application Penguin, used by children to perform graphomotor movements with the STABILO ErgoPen. The stage is yours.
So hello everyone. I'm really excited to be here. I love playing games. I'm playing video games since I was a little kid back in the 80s. And when I think about video games, I always remember my parents, my brother and my sister and I were sitting together in the living room, and it was like a family event. We were playing Zelda together and we cheered whenever we successfully solved a dungeon, a quest or something like that. So for me, gaming is always fun, and yeah, it is always fun. And nowadays, we're also able to play games not only on consoles or on computer, but also on laptops, tablets, and on our cell phones. And just as more and more people are now using these devices, digital writing tools such as keyboards or digital pens are being used for writing much more often instead of the usual pen and paper. So there are studies that show that this increased use of digital writing tools affects the writing and reading skills of children. For example, in Germany, surveys have shown that since 2015, the necessary skills for developing handwriting are getting worse by 9 out of 10 primary school children, which can subsequently lead to learning problems, psychosocial stress, or posture problems. Of course, there are exercises for children to improve their graphomotor skills, such as connecting dots with a pen on a piece of paper. But these exercises are quickly perceived as blunt, and we all know if we do not enjoy something, we won't try too hard. So that was the cornerstone for developing Penguin. The original idea came up as part of the master's degree program, Digital Healthcare, at the St. Pölten University of Applied Sciences. Our project team consisted of hardware and software developers, medical engineers, physiotherapists, and occupational therapists. And our goal was to develop a game where children can actually enjoy doing those necessary graphomotor movements. So in the game, children slip into the role of a penguin, and like in a classic jump and run game, they complete level after level, which are progressively structured to challenge and encourage children at an appropriate level. Thanks to the cooperation to STABILO International, the game is controlled with the ErgoPen. This pen is usually used in occupational therapeutic settings, and it is equipped with various sensors, and it transfers the data via Bluetooth to the tablet. So therefore, we were able to use predefined graphomotor movement patterns to control the penguin in the game. For example, when you rotate the pen in the Z-axis, the penguin moves forwards or backwards. Or when you spin the penguin jumps either forwards or backwards. Or when you shift the penguin throws snowballs. All of these three movement patterns are commonly used in occupational therapeutic settings to improve graphomotor skills. Right now, we are currently working on redesigning Penguin in a user-oriented manner to adapt the game to the needs of the children. Of course, this is an iterative process in which the expert opinion, which means the children's evaluation, directly flows into the development. And as a result, children can playfully perform these graphomotor movements and have fun while doing them. And as we all know, when we enjoy something, we go to great lengths to achieve our goals. Thank you very much.